Yes, sir.
Hello, how is our queen maker, ALV? Kamusta ka naman?
Okay naman, we're here in Nova Aesthetics. It's the contract signing of Krishna, our Miss World Asia, Krishna Gravides, as the ambassador and endorser of the Nova Aesthetics.
Wow, congratulations. So ngayon nandito ka na sa Nova. Ano yung mga naiisip mong medyo parang gusto ko ng ganito or yung mga facials, may mga na ano ka na ba, napag-isipan ka na ba na gustong ipagawa sa Nova?
Number one, I love the clinic. Smells good. Very homey yung clinic. And of course, I just tried a while ago yung I think that's good for the how do you call that yung happy chair.
Happy chair.
The happy chair is especially for people who are from 40s to 50s because it's for sa anong advantage noon nung happy chair. Doc, anong advantage ng happy
Doc, what's
chair?
the advantage?
What's
of
the
the happy
advantage
chair?
of happy chair?
It helps with incontinence and it also helps with both female and male sexual dysfunction and prevention of both.
Prevention of
Urinary incontinence.
Yeah.
It strengthens your pelvic floor muscle.
and also your prostate.
Yeah.
Wow, that's nice. Thank you for that.
I wanna try
go.
I wanna try yung kanilang facial because gusto ko mag-try lang yung facial and yung slimming, yung body contouring. Because actually, nagpapapayat ako dito ako kay Doc Sen. I gained so much weight. So I just started last week.
Wow, that's nice. Well, malapit na ang Miss World Philippines. So, ano yung aabangan ng mga pageant fans sa Miss World Philippines this
Of
year?
course, the spectacular production, it's hindi naman substandard ang the way I staged the show. So, there's a lot of new things will happen on the coronation night and also on January 29 for the pre-pageant, which will be in Okada for the charity ball, and a lot of spectacular. It's a spectacular show, and it's a fashion event, and at the same time, it's a fundraising. So I'm very happy with the result, and of course, I like all my candidates this time because most 90% are fresh faces.
Yes.
So we have to give chances from them. And this all 90% came from provinces. 85% came from different provinces, which will give them opportunity naman all of those aspiring beauty queens from the provinces. And 90% are fresh faces. Only few are repeaters. I think two only, but the rest, all the candidates are fresh faces.
Yes, and they are all beautiful.
And young,
Yeah.
18 to 25 years old.
Wow, that's nice. So, ALV, meron ba tayong aabangan sa Miss World? May mga magiging bisita ka ba internationally?
Yes, of course, Miss World will be here. Si
Ay.
Opal from Thailand.
Opa.
Universal Woman, nandito din siya.
Wow.
Yung from Venezuela, right? And then, Puerto Rico? Venezuela.
Oh, okay.
And then, there's one also from Poland, yung Miss Tourism International.
Oh, wow.
So, dito din sa, and then I think yung global also, Miss Global.
Grabe, bigatin talagang
There are
ALV
4
circle, ha?
international queens who will be here. And at the same time, the organizer, Julia Morley, will be here also.
Ay! Ayoko na. ang daming budget naman ng Miss World
The
Philippines.
owner of Miss Tourism International. I think the owner also of Universal Woman and the owner of Miss Global.
Diyos
They are
ko,
here.
grabe.
We're very busy because we have a lot of guests from
Ganaps.
different countries.
Baka wala na tayong paglagyan, Doc. Maligwak na tayo. So, eto na ang pasabog na tanong. So, eto daw. So, since umiingay ang bentahan ng Miss Universe at chuchuchu o ganyan. So, halimbawa lang, ang Miss Universe Philippines, kung i-offer sa'yo,
Ako yan.
bibilin mo ba siya?
Sino na naman? Mga? I don't know if there's a chance, di ba? They give the
Ay.
opportunity, pag-aralan, and that is good for the for the tourism of the Philippines. If Miss Universe galing Pilipinas to manage the Miss Universe, I think it's a good idea for the country, and siguro naman come what may, I don't know what's the decision of the owners, because they up to now I think they still own it, and wala pa silang announcement if they're willing to sell the
franchise.
organization or
Yeah.
not.
And they're doing well as well. The current owners of
Yeah.
Miss Universe Philippines.
There's two
Ayun.
owners, diba? One is Mexico, the other one is still Thailand.
Yeah. Sa Miss Universe Philippines sila Sir Jonas, Sir ALV.
Yeah, sila pa rin,
They are
diba?
doing well.
They're doing well.
Pero yung Miss Universe nga, organization, as in yung international, ano yun, pag naging available at nagkaroon ng chance, gusto mo ba siyang may plano ka bang bilhin din? Kaya ba?
Bahala na. Siguro I'll just cross the bridge when I get there. Kung they will offer to the Philippines, maybe if there's a chance, why not? Diba? Kung kaya.
Parang wala namang
Manage,
imposible
kaya.
sa'yo. Diba? Anyway, congratulations kay ALV. Of course, kay Krishna din. And Doc said, meron ka bang masasabi kay Congratulations.
Congratulations,
May sasabihin ka ba
Doc
kay
Sed.
Kay ALV? Okay lang, dito ka na lang sa gilid magsalita. Charing! Ayan,
Quick, I've always believed with the vision of Sir ALV. Ako ay pageant media also before I started this clinic, and you guys know how we idolize Sir ALV with his vision for the
Thank
girls.
you.
No? Kaya this is a very big opportunity for me to collaborate with ALV, and of course to have one of yung mga alaga ni Sir, one of the queens who is Krishna Gravida. So thank you so much, Sir, for entrusting
Thank
us.
you for the trust and
Yeah,
confidence, of
with
course, for
Krishna.
Krishna and the other and the succeeding queens of Miss
Yeah,
World
yeah.
and Miss Grand. And thanks for the support.
Thank you so much.
wow.
Sir.
So now that you are...
Setting is one of our sponsors.
Yes.
I'll see
Congratulations.
I'll see you on January 29
Yes.
at the Okada for the charity gala, and then of course February 3 for the coronation night at the Mall of Asia Arena.
Wow. So now that you are officially part of ALV Circle Pageants, how does it feel na talagang nasa mundo ka na ng pageantry? Kasi dream niya talaga yan ALV. Dream niya talaga.
Very, very happy. Very, very happy. It's such a privilege to, to be talking to Sir ALV and collaborate with him, with the queens also. Entrusted me to have the girls here. Yesterday, they had a clinic visit. So, this is a dream coming into reality. So, I'm very, very happy for this opportunity. And of course, excited for the years to come to work with Sir ALV.
Yeah. And Sir ALV is very...
I hope that we can help also to boost the sales of your company, of your clinic, and I'm happy that it's a complete facilities, and the clinic is so nice, and it's very homey, and of course the best doctor.
Ay, taray. Si ALV napaka-generous. No? Napaka-generous. One question na lang, last question ALV. So ano yung hinahanap natin for this year's Miss World Philippines? Ano yung mga hinahanap mo ngayon?
Siyempre, the epitome of the Miss World is the beauty with the purpose. It should be the woman who's going to win. It's the ambassador. I'm looking for an ambassador. That's what I'm looking for. It's not just the beauty and the glamour. It's a complete package. And most important is the woman with the heart, and the woman with doing a lot of charity works, supporting the organization, and of course, a good communicator when it comes to beauty with a purpose.
Wow. Coming from the Queen Maker himself, ALV. Sir Arnold, thank you so much.
Thank you to all your listeners and your viewers and your followers. We go all the way from Australia.
Antaray! For ALV, o diba? Thank you. We love you.